In this expression, there is no function, no expression which relates to its path. It only depends on the initial and final position. This we had done yesterday. Now, to get the absolute potential of a point, what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to bring this charge, which is a unit test positive charge, from infinity, where we assume we take this point as having a potential equal to 0. This we had already done in previous classes. तो अगर इस पॉइंट का पोटेंशियल 0 है, and if I bring in a unit test positive charge from infinity to a point P, which is at a distance r from charge q, तो डिस्टेंस r है from charge q of point P. तो जब मैं इसको ऐसे मूव करके लेके आऊंगा पॉइंट P पे, ठीक है ना, मैं इसको इस पाथ के अलॉन्ग लेके आया हूँ. जब मैं इसको ऐसे मूव करके लेके आऊंगा तो पॉइंट P पे आने तक whatever is the work done by the external agent will be stored as its potential energy, and the work done per unit test positive charge will give me what, the potential of that position, because I am using the very definition that the charge has been brought from infinity. अभी kq by r कैसे हो गया, because now ra is infinity and rb is equal to r. Okay, तो ये सेम एक्सप्रेशन में हम आर ए को क्या रख देंगे, इन्फिनिटी रख देंगे, तो ये वाला टर्म 0 हो जाएगा और ये वाला टर्म 1/r हो जाएगा. तो फ्रॉम दैट वी विल गेट दिस एज योर expression for absolute potential at a point r for a point charge. ठीक है, now you can write this down. So let us say you have a region of space. In this region, electric field is present because of number of point charges. There is a charge here, charge here, charge here. So you have number of charges. Charges q1, q2, q3 up to qn. And there is a point P. You wish to find out the potential of this point P. Okay. So what you will do is, because it's a scalar quantity, potential is a scalar quantity. So what you will do is you will find the potential contributed by each charge as if no other charge is present. तब ये सब distance निकालोगे आप. Some distance will be given from various point charges. Okay, so let us say this distance is r1, this distance is r2, like that r3, r4 up to rn. Okay, now potential at this point P will be given by the scalar sum of the potential due to each charge. First charge का potential k q1 by r1, second का k q2 by r2, like that up to k qn by rn. Okay, so that becomes summation of k comes, which is a constant, comes out of the summation sign. You have qi ri. The value of I is from 1 to n. So this is your potential due to group of charges. Okay, now that same thing has been written in this slide. Now you can write down this entire slide. अच्छा, आप लोग मुझे पर्सनल चैट में आपके आंसर लिखिए. लेट मी सी कितना राइट है कितना रॉन्ग है. ठीक है. नॉट टू एवरीवन, पर्सनल चैट प्राइवेटली भेजना है. It is minus 6.29 into 10 to the power 3 volts. So like out of a class of 50, only 4 students could get it right. किसी का मैग्नीट्यूड में इशू है, किसी का यूनिट्स में इशू है, किसी के तो पूरा ऑल टुगेदर आंसर ही डिफरेंट आ रहा है. अब कितने बच्चों को डाउट है चलिए मैं एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ. तो 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 10 to the power minus 6. This much term is common. 2 by 5 minus 6 by, sorry, this is 2 by 4 and this is 6 by 5. Okay, now you solve this, you will get the result. Is it okay? Any further doubts? Now those who have done this, वो second question attempt करिए. Yes, anyone? Okay, the separation is 20 centimeter and the magnitude of charge is also given to you. Okay, now there is a third charge which has been kept midway between the two charges. एक इधर पे position है, then the other position is the other position is here. तो इस चार्ज को सेम मैग्नीट्यूड का चार्ज है, उसको हम अब यहाँ से डिस्प्लेस करके इधर लेके आ रहे हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज आल्सो 20, दिस इज आल्सो 20. तो इस चार्ज Q को जब हमने यहाँ से इधर मूव किया, इट वेंट अक्रॉस अ पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस ऑफ VA and VB. The potential at point A, potential at point B, you can easily calculate. Potential at point A will be given by twice of K cube by 10 centimeter. Okay, so you have to substitute the value of Q and R in appropriate terms. Why this is 10? क्योंकि ये distance 10 centimeter हो जाएगा. Okay, what is VB? Twice of K cube by 20 centimeter. So you calculate everything in terms of SI unit. Find the potential difference. So what is VB minus VA? Okay, that you can calculate and that will turn out to be negative. If this potential difference is negative, if you multiply this Q with delta V, you will get change in the potential energy. Okay, so this is how you have to do this problem. Okay, so numerical aspect you can deal. Now let's move on to the next concept. So in this slide, we are going to discuss about the potential energy of a system of two charges, point charges, and then we will extend that concept to group of point charges. And later on in your next 2 or 3 classes, we will be dealing or extending the concept of this into continuous charged bodies. Charge where it is continuously distributed on its either the length along the surface or maybe in the entire volume. Okay, so just write this down.